uncovering the secret scavengers inside your cells. Did you know your cells are armed with tiny scavengers, working tirelessly to clean up and maintain a healthy environment within your body? Today, we're diving into this fascinating world to understand how these cellular scavengers work and their surprising link to cancer. Our bodies rely on countless processes to maintain health and function. One crucial process is how our cells clean up. This is known as autophagy, the cell's way of recycling waste and maintaining balance. But what happens when this process goes wrong? When scavenging systems fail, it can lead to a buildup of damaged components in cells, contributing to diseases, including cancer. Scientists are discovering that disruptions in these cellular waste management systems can lead to cancerous growth. When waste isn't properly dealt with, damaged cells might multiply uncontrollably, turning into tumors. It's like a junkyard that ends up spreading beyond control. But here's the silver lining. Understanding the scavenging mechanisms opens potential avenues for cancer treatment. Researchers are exploring several innovative strategies to enhance autophagy and combat cancer. Pharmacological interventions. Scientists are developing drugs that can specifically target and stimulate autophagy in cells. These drugs aim to clear out toxic proteins and damaged organelles, potentially slowing down or even reversing tumor growth. Genetic engineering. Advances in genetic technology allow researchers to modify genes involved in autophagy. By rebooting malfunctioning autophagy pathways, there's potential to restore normal cell functionality, potentially preventing tumor development. Dietary approaches. Nutritional research suggests that certain diets or fasting regimens might enhance autophagy naturally. For instance, intermittent fasting has been shown to activate autophagic processes, promoting healthier cell activity and reducing cancer risk. Lifestyle modifications, regular exercise, and stress management have also been linked to improved autophagy. Physical activity and mindfulness practices like meditation can boost your body's natural scavenging abilities, promoting overall cellular health. Holistic therapies. Integrative approaches that combine medical treatment with natural therapies are also being explored. Techniques such as acupuncture and herbal medicine may support autophagy, offering complementary benefits to conventional cancer therapies. Through these approaches, the future of cancer treatment looks promising as we harness the power of our cells' natural cleanup crews. By enhancing these pathways or correcting them when they're malfunctioning, we could pave the way toward new cancer therapies. Autophagy doesn't just remove waste, it also determines cell fate, like a crucial decision maker in your body's complex environment. Want to learn more about how you can naturally support your body's cellular cleanup crew? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when we dive deeper into health science topics. Share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge, and drop a comment below with your questions and thoughts. Let's navigate the fascinating intersection of science and health together.